Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title, Converting Currency to Float in Python, a step-by-step tutorial. Introduction. In many financial applications and data analysis tasks, it's common to work with currency values. However, these values are often represented as strings with symbols, commas, or other non-numeric characters. To perform numerical operations on these values, it's essential to convert them into a float format. In this tutorial, we'll explore how to convert currency values to float in Python, providing clear steps and code examples. Step 1. Import necessary libraries. Step 2. Set locale and initialize currency formatter. Step 3. Define a function to convert currency to float. Step 4. Test the function. Explanation. Conclusion. Converting currency values to float in Python is a common task in financial and data analysis projects. By using the Locale module, we can handle various currency formats and ensure accurate conversion. The provided tutorial and code examples offer a straightforward approach to perform this conversion in a reliable manner. ChatGPT.